Mindfulness. Being present and mindful can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Mindfulness is a state of being present and fully engaged in the present moment. It involves a non-judgmental awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. When we are mindful, we are able to focus our attention on the present moment. Rather than getting lost in worries or regrets about the past or anxiety about the future, by being present and fully engaged in the current moment, we are better able to appreciate the small joys and pleasures of life. We can also more effectively manage difficult emotions, as we are able to observe them without getting swept away by them. Studies have shown that mindfulness is an effective way to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. By practicing mindfulness regularly, we can learn to be more aware of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to better understand ourselves and our reactions to the world around us. This increased self-awareness can help us make healthier choices and cultivate a greater sense of inner peace. Overall, mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help us lead happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. By learning to be more present and mindful, we can reduce stress, improve our well-being, and cultivate a greater sense of peace and contentment in our daily lives. Incorporating mindfulness into our daily routine can be done in a variety of ways. One way is through meditation, where we focus on our breath and observe our thoughts without judgment. Another way is through mindful movement practices such as yoga or Tai Chi, where we focus on the sensations in our body as we move. We can also practice mindfulness in everyday activities such as eating, walking, or even washing the dishes, by bringing our full attention to the task at hand. It's important to note that mindfulness is not about eliminating all negative thoughts or emotions, but rather about learning to observe them without judgment and respond to them in a healthy way. With regular practice, mindfulness can become a natural part of our daily lives, helping us to cultivate a greater sense of calm, clarity, and happiness.